Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you delicious gluten-free vegan brownies. I love this recipe. These are the most amazing fudgy brownies I've ever tried. They require just 6 ingredients and would be perfect quick dessert for any occasion. They are my favorite treats during holiday season as well. So let's dive into the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna start by soaking 2 cups of dates in warm water for 15 minutes. Once they are soaked, drain and rinse them. In the food processor, we're gonna combine dates, melted coconut oil, cocoa powder, and almond flour. Blend until consistency is smooth and creamy. Scrape down the sides as needed. Then we're gonna add walnuts and chocolate chips and pulse a few times, but let some chunks of nuts and chocolate remain. Then we're gonna transfer the butter into a parchment-lined dish and spread evenly. Bake for 15 minutes. You can skip baking and put brownies into the fridge for an hour and enjoy them raw, but this time we're gonna bake them. Remove from the oven and let them cool for 20 minutes before cutting. These brownies are very dense. I like to cut them into small bite size, but you can cut them into larger squares as well. You can top with fresh berries or sprinkle with chopped walnuts or chocolate. It's better to keep them in the fridge. Brownies are my absolute favorite thing ever, so good with tea or coffee. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today and you'll give it a try. If you do, tag us on Instagram so we'll see your creations. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye!